Yup, let's address the elephant in the room. We have all the details about the transportation at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Welcome to Simply Magical Guide. My name is Erika, and along with my husband Ryan and our 2 boys, we have set out to explore everything that Walt Disney World has to offer. We are all about resort life and believe that the perfect resort is the foundation to a simply magical vacation. Come join us as we explore the resorts, share all of our tips and tricks, and experience all the magic of Walt Disney World. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge is tucked away in the southwest corner of the Disney World property. The location and the seclusion of this resort helps transport you to the African savannas, distancing you from the hustle and bustle. But for all the seclusion, there's one significant drawback. When selecting a resort, it's important to consider 4 components: rooms, transportation, dining, and activities. In this video, we will just be focusing on the transportation portion. For our overview of the entire resort, be sure to subscribe and check out our Animal Kingdom Lodge Resort Tour video. Now let's dive in! As a Disney World Resort guest, you can typically enjoy a wide array of complimentary transportation options, including bus, boat, monorail, and Disney Skyliner, our personal favorite. In most cases, your resort typically has 2 or 3 transportation options you can choose from. Unfortunately, despite being a deluxe resort, the bus service is the only mode of transportation offered at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. The bus stops are located near the entrances of both Jambo House and Kidani Village. Disney bus transportation will take you to all the parks and Disney Springs. However, due to the resort's location, you may find yourself with longer wait times with buses arriving every 20 to 25 minutes. In fact, we experienced a few 30 to 40 minute waits while visiting Disney Springs during our stay. To maximize your time, we recommend using the My Disney Experience app to find arrival and departure times for your resort. Overall, we feel the transportation options at Animal Kingdom Lodge are the resort's biggest disappointment. While the buses may get the job done, they can be one of the most time-consuming options in all of Walt Disney World, which is why we highly recommend setting aside at least an hour for traveling from your resort. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and to see more of our Disney World adventures, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us, and we hope your next stay in the Disney bubble is simply magical.